Hey guys, Jeff Schroeder here, back with Justin, the Taylor certified technician. He's going to run us through some stuff to show us how operators can keep their machines functional and in good shape. Justin, what are we looking at today?
Well, this is a Taylor Model C706 pump style single flavor ice cream machine, soft serve machine. A couple of the key points that operators need to really pay attention to with their new Taylor equipment is replacing scraper blades, O-rings, and just general overall maintenance of the machine. A couple of things they can do on a daily basis is take the machine apart. We have a couple of hand screws. We have a long one and a short one. The longer ones go on the top of this particular machine. When you're taking them off or putting them on, I like to go in a crossing pattern. It tightens everything or loosens it up evenly.
Kind of like changing a tire.
Yes, exactly. This is what we call the freezer door. There's a pin here that pulls out, and you can remove the draw handle. We have a guide bearing that comes off, a seal. This is a prime plug. As we can see, there's two O-rings on here. It's very important each day that all the O-rings get taken off while the machine is being washed, because that's where bacteria likes to hide. And then we have a draw valve. You can see we also have three O-rings on here. Next we have a beater that pulls out with some seals on it, and then single pin blades. I'm just going to set this up here for right now. It's very important that the operator takes the blades apart. There's a metal backing and a blade, and this is one of the wear items that I was speaking of earlier. They're going to replace the scraper blades about every 3 months. This is a very critical wear item to replace. The way the Taylor machine works is as the product, the ice cream product, comes down into the evaporator, it freezes on this cylinder, and these blades scrape on the inside. And as they get worn down, the product will have a longer freeze down time, making the product break down and using more electricity. So we always want to make sure we're replacing those to have proper operation of the machine. Taylor is a company that definitely is product driven, and we want to make sure that the products that we sell to our customers remain in good working order. So we offer the customer, upon startup, a program that will automatically ship them their tune-up kits, you know, for a nominal fee to make sure that it's done on time and they don't have to remember on their own. So it's kind of a neat feature that we offer.
Great. Now, you've talked a lot about the tune-up kit. What is that and why is that important?
All right, a tune-up kit is a kit that Taylor can send out to your operation that's matched specifically to the machine that you have. It's very important for cleanliness of the machine. As the machine runs during the 3-month period, the O-rings will wear out, it can start to leak, it can affect your overrun, product consistency, general run times of the machine. So maintenance is very important. It's always important to use Taylor OEM parts and service. If you start messing around with some of the knockoffs, you could possibly void your warranty and really cause damage to your machine in the long run. So OEM parts are the only way to go.
Justin, you make a great point. Remember, if it doesn't have the Taylor logo on the box, don't let it in the front door. Thanks a lot for your time today, Justin. Thanks for walking us through that. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you, Jeff.